The other day I was doing a takeoff for somebody, and it was really early in the morning, as it is today, and I wanted to turn on my light on my keyboard, so I believe it was like F5 or something. So by mistake I actually pressed F7, and what that did is it turned my cursor, my left click, to a pan, and of course then I pressed F8, and that made the cursor, the left click, zoom in and zoom out. So I remember way back when there was a setting, it was somewhere in the menu, and it's probably somewhere out there again. It was the mouse left click. You could lock it to be either panning or zooming in, so no need to panic here. Here at the bottom and the tab bar, the second icon is rectangle select. If you click that, you are back to square one. The other option is go to your Command Pane and just type in left, as you can see, LeftMouseZoom or LeftMousePan, and that would turn those commands on. And to get the way out of it is just to type in RectangleSelect, and you are back to square one. So hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any other needs for training or design or modeling, just let us know.